In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I am Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to SIMnet Excel. Today assignment name is Excel 2021 in practice, chapter 5, independent project 524. We will discuss this project step by step. Remember that it's a SIMnet project, okay? Now we are just moving toward instruction. Independent project 524 Wilson Home Entertainment System monitors cash flow at each location and consolidates data. After a summary is complete, you insert a hyperlink to each of supporting worksheet, insert an image, and then work on vendors list. So all these just instruction about the file that what we have in today file, how we have to solve that one. Student learning outcomes, SLOs that today we will cover 5.1 to 5.8. File needed. We need this file that we have already downloaded from start file. We call that start file, or we also call that solution file. And there is one supporting file, this one that is pictured, that is also already down, we already download from resource or link. Completed project file name. After completing our file name must be this one, okay? Now we are moving towards skills covered in this project. Group and format worksheet. Format negative values. Create static data consolidation with sum. Insert picture from a file. Insert hyperlink. Copy hyperlink. Assign stock data type. Insert data from stock data type. Encrypt workbook with password. So all these skill will be covered in today project. Remember that we are solving SIMnet project, that name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 independent project 5 to 4. In start we discuss instruction about the file, that what we have in today file, how we have to solve that one. Then we move toward skills covered in today project and we discuss all skills that we cover in today project. Now we are moving toward instruction file. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignments. So in today assignment we have 9 questions. In graded part we have 9 questions. 10 is save and close the workbook. 11 question is upload and save your project file. Then in question number 12 we submit for grading. So we have just 9 questions in graded part. Let me start today's assignment. Put steps to complete this project. Mark the steps as check when you complete them, okay? So in first question we have to open the start file, that is already open in my case, this one. Then if workbook opens in protected view, click enable editing button to modify it. Open this, then click on enable editing button to modify it. Then the file will rename automatically to include your name. Yes, you may see our name is already added there automatically. Then change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it, okay? So question number 1 is done. In question number 1 we have to open our start file, or we call that solution file, okay? First we have to open that one, then we just move, we just check if it is in protected view, then we just click enable editing button, so it can be modified. So we can modify that one. Okay, the file name or rename automatically to include our name. Yes, that is done. So question number one is done. Now we are moving toward question number two. So in question number two, group, edit and format the sheet. So in first part, we have to click Rockford Sheet tab. We have to click Rockford Sheet tab. Then press Shift and click Cash Flow tab. Hold on Shift key and then click on Cash Flow. So now all these sheets are in group form. Okay, the Rockford sheet is visible, so you are able to see format changes. Then the vendor sheet is not in group. Yes, we see that is not in our group. So now you may see all these sheets are in group form, just vendor is not in group form. Okay, so question number two part A is done, in which we have to make the group of sheets. So first we just click on Rockford sheet, then we just hold on shift key and then click on cash flow. So all worksheet between Rockford and cash flow are on in group form, just vendor sheet is not a part of that group. Now we are moving toward part B of question number two. Click launcher in page setup group, then click margin tab. We have to click on page setup or page layout, then click on margin tab. We have to click on there. Then in next part we have to choose horizontal from the center on page, then simply press OK. So we just simply open this one, custom margin, and from here we have to choose horizontal, then simply press OK. Then in last part of question number two, we have to edit the content cell E10 to read cash flow, paid marketing. So we just copy this one from here. Control C is copy of shortcut for copy. Now move toward cell E10, and here we have to replace that one. Okay, then simply press enter. So question number two is done. In question number two, there are four parts, and we have solved each and every part step by step. In first part, we just make the group of worksheet between Rockford sheet to cash flow tab. Then in next part, we just click on launcher in page setup group, that is in page layout tab, and then we click margin tab. Then from margin tab, we have to choose horizontally from center on page list and click OK. In part D, we have to edit content of cell E10 to read cash paid for marketing, and we have done that one. Okay, so question number two is done. Now we are moving toward question number three. Format values negative number display. Select cell B4 to B25 and click number launcher, that is in home tab number group. B4 to B25, we have to select that. First we have to select, then we have to click number launcher, that is in home tab. Click on home. In number group, we have to launch what? Number launcher. Then there we have to select currency as category. So from here we have to choose currency as a category. Then choose zero decimal place. We have to choose zero decimal place. Then Then confirm or select dollar as a symbol. Open this dollar as a symbol, then simply press OK. So that will be done. Then select option to display negative number in red with parentheses. Okay, again come on there in currency, negative and close parentheses. Okay, now simply press OK. Then simply press OK. So that will be done. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we have to format the values from negative number display. So in first part of question number 3, we just select the range, select the cells B4 to B25, then there we have to click number launcher, that is in home tab negative number group, and from there we have to select currency as a category, then choose 0 decimal place, then confirm or select dollar as a symbol. Okay, so for negative we have to choose negative number in red with parentheses, then simply press OK and we get this result, this one. Okay. So question number 3 is done. After solving question 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. Insert formulas on group sheet. We have to insert formulas on group sheet that we have already created. So what we have to do, we have to select cell B13 and click auto sum. We have to click B13 there, then click auto sum. So for that we have to click on home. In editing group there is auto sum option. Okay, so that will be sum. Then first part is done. Then in next part we have to reselect the range B4 to B12 and press enter. B4 to B12, then press enter. Then select cell B22 and sum B15 to B21. Now we move towards cell B22 there, and there we use sum and pass range B15 to B21 equal, then write sum, then equal sum, then we have to pass B15 to B21, then simply press enter and get result. Then in part D we have to select cell B23 and there we have to add B13 and B22. B23 here we have to add B13 and B22. Yes, already added there. We have to verify there. Okay. Then select cell B24. This value is manually entered in each location sheet. Now we have to move towards cell B24. Yes, that is manually added. Then in part F of question number 4, we have to select cell B25. The formula adds B23 and B24. We have to just verify there. Okay, so we just move towards cell B25 here, and you may see there is addition of B23 and B24. Yes, that is also done. Then select cell E1 and ungroup the worksheet. Now we have to select cell A1, then ungroup worksheet. So click on any group worksheet, right click there, and there is an option ungroup. So now every worksheet is ungroup. Okay. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4 there are 6 to 7 parts and we have done each and every part. Okay. After reading instruction of question number 4, we get ready that we have to insert formulas on group worksheet in cell. In question number 4 part A, we have to select cell B13 and click auto sum button. That is the home tab editing group. Then in part B, we have to reselect the range B4 to B12 and press enter. Then in part C, we have to select cell B22 and sum the cell B15 to B21. Same way we will move toward part D, and there we just select cell B23. The formula adds B13 and B22. In part D, we have to select cell B24. This value is manually entered on each location. Then in part F, we have to select cell B25, and their formula adds B23 and B24. Then in part G, we have to select cell E1 and ungroup worksheet. So question number 4 is done. So in question number 5, we have to work on build 3 static consolidation for cash flow sheet. We just move toward cash flow sheet, and we have to solve each and every part of question number 5. Then in question number 6, we will insert a picture from a file. Okay. Then in question number 7, we have to insert and copy hyperlink. Then in question number 8 and 9, the same way we will solve question number 8 and 9. Okay. So in today's video, we discuss SIMnet project. That name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 independent project 5 to 4. In start, we discuss the instruction about the file, that what we have in today's file, how we have to solve that one. Then skill cover in today's project, we just discuss all the skills that we have to cover in today's project. Okay. After that, then we move toward instruction file, and in instruction file in graded part we have just 9 questions. Out of 9 questions, we have solved question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First 5 questions we have done in today's video, mean half of assignment is done from my side in today's video, 50 to 55% assignment. Okay, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% results. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that your result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, SQL project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise, because I am in this field from last 10 years. So you can trust on me and you will get E grade 100% marks. And it's the biggest opportunity for every client, for every student, that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer, because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity, that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe and you will get 100% marks, and our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. In today's video, we discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 independent project 5 to 4. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment. Or remember that in today's video we have discussed almost 50 to 55% assignment in today's video. If you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. Take care, bye bye.